Welcome to this tutorial for GroundBreakCRM. Today, we will cover the Jobs module within the iPad application and how easily it communicates with your installation to provide the data you need when you need it. GroundBreakCRM is the application designed by sales representatives for sales representatives. We have been in the CRM business for over 20 years. Most CRM applications are, in reality, management reporting tools. It is very important for sales managers to forecast revenue, maintain a history of important conversations with customers, and ensure smooth transitions during changes to the sales staff. While still meeting those critical needs, this application was designed by asking ourselves one question: what can we provide to sales representatives, particularly people in the rental business, to bring in more revenue? This means that we really understand not just the equipment sales and rental business. We understand the challenges companies face with rolling the application out to people who are used to working with a pen and paper. It's not an application that was designed for high-tech, savvy sales representatives and then adapted to an altogether different industry. It was freshly built from the ground up while taking all of these factors into account. GroundBreakCRM includes a job module that allows you to track information regarding a job, quotes related to a job, and subcontractors working on a job. Let's have a look at what GroundBreakCRM can do for you. First, go ahead and load the GroundBreakCRM application on your iPad. If this is your first time using the application, then you will need to enter the application's URL as well as your login credentials. Once done, tap Login at the bottom. Keep in mind that once you do this the first time, you will not be asked for this information again. Once the application loads, you will see the home screen by default. We're looking for the Jobs icon in the bottom menu. Go ahead and tap it. By default, the Jobs module loads with the data entered in your last session. If this is not your first time using the module, then you will see some data. Otherwise, the subpanels will be empty. Going over the Jobs screen, we see the Search Results subpanel at the top left, your search history in the bottom left, and the job details on the right side. Let's look for a job. Using the search function, you can quickly search for a job by name, city, or zip code. Let's search for a job related to a new YMCA that we are involved in by entering YMCA. Just a quick note, on the bottom left side of the screen, you will see a history of recent searches. This feature makes it very simple to go back to a recent search. All you have to do is tap on the search item to display the results again. Our search results only display one entry, Bloomington YMCA. Go ahead and tap on it. While viewing this job, we see summary information including the address and job number if there is one. GroundBreakCRM has the ability to import job data from Dodge or any other source. Jobs can be automatically assigned to representatives based on a geographic territory or assigned to a sales manager who then assigns the job to a representative. You might need to know where this job is located on the map, how to plan your day around this job by planning to visit another job close to this job's location, or if any jobs are close to your present location for an in-person visit. Luckily, this can be done with GroundBreakCRM's excellent built-in mapping functionality. We'll tackle the first request by locating the address link next to the blue map marker and tapping it. In the window that pops up, you will see a map marker pinpointing the job's location. You can zoom in or out on the map using the normal pinch and zoom function on the iPad. To close the map, just tap outside the map and head back to the jobs page. The next location-based mapping function selects jobs within a defined radius of your present location by using your device's internal GPS, which is very helpful for times that you need to plan your day around your current location or see if any jobs are close by. To do so, locate the menu button at the top right. It is a red button with a white arrow pointing to the right. Go ahead and tap the menu button. Click Map Jobs near this job. In the next window, select your desired radius for searching. I'll enter 20. Click the green Map button. The map window will load and be centered on the current job's location. Immediately, we see a job just above Bloomington YMCA. Tapping that map marker will open a dialog box containing the account's name and address. Zooming out will reveal more results. By default, GroundBreakCRM will select the 20 closest jobs. Now let's say that after visiting this job, which took less time than predicted, you need to find another job close by. In such a circumstance, GroundBreakCRM can solve this problem and will inform you of which jobs are near your current location. Locate the red map marker icon next to the job's title. For your first time, you will be asked twice if you want to allow the mapping function to access your current location. Tap OK each time. In the new pop-up window, tap the radius box and enter a distance you would like to search, and click Map. The map screen pops up again and will center on your location. It will also show all of the jobs within your radius selected. If no accounts display on the map, then zooming out will reveal more results. Again, by default, GroundBreakCRM only selects the 20 closest results. Tapping on a map marker opens a dialog box with the job's name and address. To close the window, tap outside the map. In addition to addresses and job numbers, information regarding the job is also stored within GroundBreakCRM. To reveal this information, simply tap on the More Info button at the top of the screen. Doing so will display more valuable information regarding the job. All of the fields and their values can be changed specifically for your company. To hide the additional information and regain valuable screen real estate, tap Less Info. GroundBreakCRM allows you to keep track of all of the subcontractors for a job. A subcontractor could be an account, a contact, or a lead. Say you were at a job site and you meet a potential candidate to be considered as a subcontractor. Maybe he's a painter and you have never done business with his company before. Well, you can enter him into GroundBreakCRM as a lead. Let's do that now. Tap on the Leads icon on the bottom of the screen. Now locate the white plus icon in the top menu. As you can see, there is a lot of data that can be entered. Enter a first name and a last name. Now scroll down and enter an email. Head to the bottom of the form and select a team. Tap on the team box and use the search form to locate the preferred team. Once you find a team, tap it. Now tap the green Save button. Once he is entered into the system, he can easily be converted from a lead and retain all of his related history information. We will take a look at that process in a few moments. For now, let's head back to the Jobs module. Tap the Jobs icon at the bottom of the screen and we will look at relating subcontractors to a job. Now that our subcontractor has been saved as a lead, we can relate him to this job. Simply tap the menu button and choose Add Related Lead. Search for the lead we just created by using the search box and then select the name from the list. Now we need to choose a role. Tap the role box and select a profession from the list. This list is fully customizable, so do not feel limited by these selections. Once done, tap Save. To see the newly related lead, tap on the Related Leads bar at the bottom. The lead we just added is listed there. The same process can be applied when you need to relate a contact or account to this job. You will also see a quotes bar at the top. Tapping on the quotes bar will reveal any quotes that are related to this job. Just for a moment, let's head back to the Leads module and convert a lead to a contact and opportunity. Tap the Leads icon in the bottom. You will see the lead that we just created. Now tap the menu button at the top of the screen and select Convert Lead. Doing so will start the wizard to convert a lead to a contact and then an opportunity. Tap Next. Now the proper way to do this is to already have an account created for this new contact to relate with. But we'll forego that route and relate this contact to an already existing account that has nothing to do with this subcontractor. We're going to create a new contact and do not have a match, so we just have to tap Next. After a successful conversion, you will be asked if you would like to create an opportunity. Let's go ahead and do that, so tap Yes. In the next window, enter a name for the opportunity and then an amount. Once done, tap Save. We have now converted a lead to both a contact and an opportunity and are viewing the new opportunities information screen. So that's it. GroundBreakCRM is an excellent solution for your equipment sales, equipment rentals, account management, and sales representative management. We are excited to assist you with this groundbreaking CRM application and look forward to working with you. For more information, head to groundbreakcrm.com.